this is a review for NoonEast coffee maker. This is how it looks. We're gonna do a test run. This is the water tank. There's a max sign on it. I've already filled it, so I'm going to fix it. It came with a coffee filter, and it's 2-cup coffee filter, and there was also a measure with it. So right now I'm using Coffee Planet coffee, breakfast coffee, but you can use any. So this is a measure. This is usually a standard measure. We're gonna take 1 spoonful, and we're gonna press it down because this is what you're supposed to do. And now we're gonna fix it inside. Meanwhile, we're just gonna turn this on so that it starts to pump water. That's how you fix it, and you have to turn it and make sure this is really secure. And you're gonna place an espresso cup, and we're just gonna wait for this light to turn green. And we have to make sure this is the steam knob. This is the button for steam. We have to make sure this is, when we're not using steam, this is always on this sign. So this coffee light has turned green. We're gonna press this button, and this 1 spoonful makes 1 shot of espresso. If you want, this is when you should stop. This is enough. Okay, so our espresso is done. If you would like, you can add hot water in this to make a long black or Americano. But I'm gonna try making a cappuccino. And we're going to use the steam function. So before that, we're going to turn this on. The coffee maker sign will turn off, but we'll wait for this one to turn green, and then we're going to steam. It's usually better to take any kind of milk, but it should be right out of the fridge. That's what I've heard, to make good froth. Okay, the steam sign has turned green. We're gonna just let this to the 3rd level so that any extra water has gone out, and we're gonna wait for the steam. And when it's there, okay, so that's how we're gonna do it. I've kept it at the highest position. And when you are steaming milk, you have to turn it round, and when you have to froth it, you make it it's getting hotter. I'm gonna steam it more because I would like it to be really hot. So I'm adding the steamed milk into the espresso to make a cappuccino. I'll add the froth on top. And voila! It's important that you clean this steam nozzle as soon as you are done using it, because if you leave the milk residue here, it will be really hard to come off. So here's our final cup of cappuccino. And you see this nozzle is all clean now. I'm going to put this back on. And so finally, I wanted to make this video because when I got this machine, I couldn't find, I was looking for reviews, and all I could find were videos in Arabic, and I don't speak Arabic. So I thought when I will figure this machine out, I will make a video to help someone like me out there. So I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.